Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to create a new Amazon account on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to download it first for the Amazon application like this, and now tap on it. Also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And if you want to make a new or create a new Amazon account, just tap on this profile at the bottom. After, tap on this create account. And now in this page you have to enter your first and your last name, and then the second column for your mobile phone or email, and then here to create a password. Here I'm gonna enter it first, yeah guys. And if you already enter it, you just have to verify first by email, I guess, because here I use my email, I don't use my phone number. And now tap on continue. You have to check it first for your email, the verification code. Here I'm gonna check it first, and this is the code, yeah guys. I'm gonna copy it, and after I'm gonna paste on the column before. I'm gonna paste it here. Now tap on create your Amazon account. We have to wait for a second like this, and it will be entered to the Amazon homepage. It's like this, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.